$47 at O'Reilly's. So today we're going to be using some AC Pro product. It's about $47 at AutoZone or O'Reilly's. It comes with the refrigerant and also a nice gauge, and they give you a fairly long line, unlike some of the other brands, which is good because in part of the process while you're charging you have to shake, and if it's too short of a line you can't really do that. So it's a pretty easy procedure. Gives you some nice instructions on the side. So basically you want to start your car and turn on your AC, turn on your fan full blast, and then we're going to charge it. We're going to test it with this and then charge it up. So we're going to find the low pressure port, attach it, and it'll give us a reading of how the pressure's doing. So we're here in the Yukon. We're going to recharge the AC system. I'm going to turn the fan on full blast, asking for cold for AC. Pop the hood. Using this product, AC Pro, which is about $47 at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. Looking for the low side of the air con system. Here's the high side, here's the low side. It's even marked with an L. We're just going to spin that off. We'll go and hook up the port, see what kind of reading we get. It just kicks, pushes right on. So reading shows pretty good. It's kind of going back and forth. This compressor's turning on and off. We'll charge it up a little bit, so got to make sure this is shook up. Kind of like when you are going to do spray paint. Just mixes everything. We'll give it a little squirt. Check the level. So that fluctuation is just when the compressor kicks on. It's going to drop. Fill it. The way I'm filling it is I pull this trigger and then shake it at the same time. Pull the trigger. Check it out. Give it a little more. So we're doing pretty good now. It's all charged up. It's near the high end on the green. So we're going to disconnect this port. Just going to pull up here, push down my palm, pull up, disconnects, put this back on. Nice and secure. Alright. You want to get those on tight. See how it feels inside. Yeah, it's blowing nice cold air. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.